Finally made it to Balandra. So this guy's lost its mooring and is now adrift and stuck on a sandbar.
I got some fenders for you.
Okay. Good foot and a half. Yep. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, there goes a bunch of trash. Right into the water. Oh. Darn. Unfortunately, it was unsuccessful. It is so buried into that sandbar, it is not budging. 7:45 in the morning, round 2 to try to get rock bottom off the bottom. Looks like she shifted in the night. It's rotated around a little bit. It's the highest tide we've had in a couple of days, so hopefully we can get her off no problem. It's officially on its new mooring. Good job, babe.
We don't know whose mooring this is.
But it's on a mooring.
It's on a mooring belonging to someone.
Yeah, but at least it's not floating around causing damage to other boats. It's incredibly clear. Ever.
You see more items.
It's so crystal clear right now. It's amazing.
Right after high tide.
We have loads to do on this boat. And while we are preparing for more guests, family coming in about 3 weeks, we've decided it'd be more fun to get this work done out there at one of the bays, one of the islands, instead of right here in La Paz, which is where we spend most of our times, and just read and relax and be quiet and listen to everything around us. Anyway, so we're gonna do some reading, get some work done, and we have some friends who are gonna be following us out on their boat, so that'll be super fun. Never a dull moment on Blue Pearl. Looks like we've run over, or we've moved over our anchor ball, and it is tight, pulled tight underneath the boat, so lodged, and we can't turn the engine on because we might, you know, wrap it up into the propeller. So my darling husband's gonna dive and hopefully dislodge the anchor ball.
Anchor's right there, I can see it.
Okay.
And you can see the line coming straight through here, and it obviously floating on the other side of the keel, and I can't pull it up with the boat hook. So I'll bring up almost all the chain.
Okay.
And see if it pops up. In that case, maybe we can get it out without diving.
Cool. Just popped up. Very cool. It's a beautiful day in paradise. We are heading out for Bahia Falsa, just a little bay right around the corner outside of the channel. They're coming over for happy hour. Too cool. So we left Falsa, the Bay of Falsa, and went out to do some fishing, and we just happened to steer upon our friends Joy and Paulo, who are apparently also came out to do some fishing. 5 miles offshore, we just happened to be heading in the exact location that they are hanging out. Pretty cool. Ahoy! We have been invited over for happy hour tonight. Still a lovely day. Successful, got a lot of stuff done. Chris installed a bunch of light fixtures and installed 12-volt power, USB power in a couple of the berths so people can charge their phones at night, which is really nice. Cheers, guys. Thanks for bringing us over for happy hour.
Cheers.
Happy to have you. Okay, so we are out of here. We stayed one lovely evening in Lobos, and I guess they're called bobos, these teeny tiny little flies that are so annoying. They're swarming us by the millions. And we're gonna go check out Balandra. Maybe swim, maybe snorkel, maybe just sit out and read a book. I don't know, I don't care. I just gotta get out of here because these bugs are bugging me. Forward idle and steering left. We haven't been to Balandra before. We're pretty excited about anchoring here for the afternoon. Definitely a really great day to be pulling out our boards for the first time. Oh, so excited. Okay, let me get out of the way.
It's long.
It's long. Wow, look at this board. So beautiful. Made it to the beach on my paddleboard without falling for the first time in over 6 months. I finally got to go paddleboarding today in this bit of paradise. Cheers, cheers. Finally made it to Balandra. And it's beautiful.
Yep, water's not too bad either. It's good.
This is a moon rising, Balandra Bay. Oh. I saved it. Could have done that on front of some videos. And I didn't spill my drink either. It's not going in there. Don't spill your drink. Oh, awesome. It came off really easily.
This is tied to the piano cord.
Wow. We left Playa Balandra this afternoon. Had a great time. It's very beautiful. Stella that we've been hanging out with Joy and Paulo on it, they headed over to Bonanza and they said it was looking great over there and there was no one else anchored there. So we're gonna enjoy some quiet anchorage over there, and then we're thinking possibly Partida again and just hang out in the islands until we basically just run out of food. Triggerfish! Woo! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! Woohoo! I got myself a triggerfish! Ah! Oh yay! I haven't caught a fish in ages. I'm excited. Yeah, I almost said, okay, I was just about to say to you, there's no more fish in the sea. That was so fun.
So here's a little situation we had occur during our last sail. It's the traveler for the staysail, and we had the traveler moved quite a bit to the starboard side. In other words, this was way down over here, which put a lot of load on this block right here, and it is completely ripped out of the mounting right there. So I think it's a pretty easy fix. I'm gonna drill these holes a little bit bigger and put the next size screw in, and then remount this thing right exactly where it was before. I just drilled a hole in my rope.
What?
Right there, look at that.
Oh, hun.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Crap. Hope that's all right. Well, there's not a lot of load on it. Shoot. What an idiot. So I got the 4 holes drilled a little bit bigger than they were, to 1/4 inch. I had to use 2 of my bits. One of them is titanium and the other one is cobalt. Both of them very good bits, not cheap. And I burned them both up oversizing these holes with them. So now I don't have a 1/4 inch drill on board anymore. It's weird. So what I found out during the replacement is that it wasn't original equipment, it was a retrofit, and it was too small, and I don't think it had all the screws in it because there's only 2 screw holes. I had to drill 2 more to temporarily attach it to the deck. So the previous owner did another, rotten job of repairing this situation. But on too small of a block, he didn't even complete the fastening of it to the deck. So I'll have to go to the chandlery and rectify it when we get back to La Paz.